All right, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to assign an activity out of the district library, in this case, our third grade basic math practice assessment. So first thing, you have to get into Seesaw as a teacher. All elementary teachers do have Seesaw access. Generally, it was K2, but this year, since we are in a remote environment and our third and fourth graders also have iPads, we decided to go ahead and get Seesaw for everybody. So if you're not using Seesaw at this point, you do have Seesaw access and your classes are already automatically rostered for you. So to get to Seesaw, you're going to sign in through Clever. So go to Clever like you normally would. Inside of Clever, you've probably seen it already. You do have that Seesaw link. Click the Seesaw link. That takes you to this page here. If you have multiple subjects or if you are departmentalized, you'll see all of your classes. If you click over in the top left where you see your name, you'll see all of your classes. Most elementary teachers, if you are teaching all subjects, would assign things through your homeroom class, but if you are departmentalized, it might make sense to assign things through your math class. Click on the class you want to go to. I only have one class, my sample class, so I click on that. You're going to go and hit the Add button. Once you're in your Seesaw account, you're going to assign an activity. That'll take you to your library. We're going to want to go ahead and then bounce over to the school and district library. We'll change to make sure we're looking at our third grade activities, just to narrow things down. Go down, click on math for our subject. You'll see all of the things that have been uploaded. One of those being by me, the basic math practice assessment. Go ahead and click on that. That opens it up. Now from here, you already have your directions written, but if you wanted to go through and edit the activity, you could still go through and add some voice instructions if you want to read those directions to your kids, or add additional instructions if you wanted to add anything extra there. So you are free to do that as needed. Once you're done though, go ahead and hit save. And once you have the directions looking the way you want them to look, or you can just leave them as they are, you can hit the assign button. It's going to ask you what class. In my case, I only have the one class I want to assign it to, but check any ones you do want to assign it to. Assign to class. It is now in your classroom. So I'm going to go look at it in my sample class. There's the activity ready for my students to add their responses to. As you see this pop up, you can actually take a kind of a preview of it as the teacher to see how it looks, to make sure everything looks okay, and you'll get the same exact view that your students will get. But that is how you find an activity in the district library and assign it.